How to stop pocket dialing iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find and tap on Face ID and Passcode. You will now be required to enter the passcode to unlock your iPhone. After that, you will be taken to the Face ID and Passcode settings page. On this page, ensure the iPhone unlock option is turned on at the very top. Then, scroll down to the Attention section and turn on the toggle switch for the Require Attention for Face ID option. After that, keep scrolling down until you are at the Allow Access when locked section at the end. From here, turn off the toggle for Return Missed Calls. Disabling this option prevents the phone from initiating calls from the lock screen due to accidental presses. Following these steps, you can easily stop pocket dialing on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.